Because when you're doing left forward way park, you should be on the right side, this side, okay? So keep your car to this side and then choose
Straight
any
up.
bay on your left. Any bay on your left.
Yeah, my brain was thinking them ones over
Yeah,
there.
no, we can do it here.
So,
So first signal,
observation.
yeah. And then observation, then you go in the bay.
Yeah.
And slow down. Stop because your sensor is on. Are you in? Yes, you are in. You are in your way.
He's getting too far into my brain.
Yeah. Huh?
I knew I was in
Yes, you
before
are.
I
Look.
before I looked.
Bring your mirror down so you can see. I can see you are in. From my side. Yeah? Perfectly fine.
Yeah, so
Okay, come
Get out my
out
head
and
here.
do it again. We're gonna do this again.
yeah.
So
Right, where are we going? Which one?
same way. On
That
the
way,
same
yeah.
road, yeah. Opposite
Yeah.
side and do the left forward bay park again.
Scott, if you did that at home, you'd be up the stairs and Angela would be killing you.
Okay. Yeah, keep looking on.
Roll the speed.
You should be at that side, okay?
Yeah.
Opposite side when we're doing the left way park.
Are you going?
He's going out.
Yeah. You never know these pickup truck drivers.
Yeah, sometimes they just come here.
I don't know if that's why someone else wants to pick up.